right, welcome to our apartment tour here in Bela Vista.
Right.
Beautiful view, I think it means. Sao Paulo. $840 per month. Don't blink or you'll miss the whole tour. Literally, front door here. I guess this would be your office space. Maybe your living room here. Bedroom, bathroom, kitchen. Tour finished.
Right.
So what do we like about this place? It's really well designed, to be honest. I love how the stove is in the middle of the room, so when Ivana's cooking, she's facing this way. This folds up and gives me a nice working space. We can be together doing our thing. The desk over here is pretty compact against the wall and sort of nice. I will say the one bad thing is the television is on the same wall as the bed, which is not ideal, but this is a small complaint. Also a huge wardrobe behind the mirror here, which is super functional and really great. And obviously it's an Airbnb, so it comes with all of the full kitchen utensils and everything. I will say the bathroom has one unique thing that we've noticed in Brazil. In the shower, there's one knob on the wall for the water, and the hot water heater is in the shower head.
Right.
So I will admit that after 20 hours of flying in airports and layovers, we arrived here and we went in the shower, and I noticed there's like exposed wires in the shower.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking, headline's gonna read, Canadian man electrocuted in his Sao Paulo shower. Is totally safe. This is the most common style of shower head in Brazil.
Yeah.
We went to Campo de Jordão as well as Ilhabela, same kind of shower head.
Yeah.
So you see wires and you think, really, a shower with electricity in it?
Kind of different, kind of unique, funky.
It's unique and working. Safe.
Yeah.
Safe, it is. So there you have it. That's the whole apartment tour.
Yeah.
Maybe now we'll go out and show you the neighborhood. We are on a street called
Avanhandava.
Avanhandava.
Yeah.
We were told by a local Brazilian, it's hard to say even for Brazilian people. Because the emphasis is quite often on the last syllable. I think it's Avanhandava.
Really?
Not Avanhandava. Anyway, I don't know. But it's a really nice neighborhood. We'll go around, and I think we'll go to the fancy restaurant. Maybe I'll change.
Because it's someone's birthday today.
No big deal. But maybe I'll put some nice clothes on, and we can go Italian restaurant.
Right.
Very nice. Okay, so this is the apartment. Pretty nice overall. Would you recommend?
Yes, I like it. I mean, we stayed for a month, so.
I would definitely recommend. Also, a great location because it's near the center, which is where the action is, but also near the more, all the different places.
By the way,
and also,
the owner likes Freddie Mercury.
True. And over here as
Another
well.
one right here.
There you have it, guys.
There you have it.
Very nice. Also, it's like a 10-minute walk from the Yellow Line Metro.
Right.
Boom. There you have it, guys. All right. We are going to
show you guys our neighborhood.
the neighborhood. Let's go.
Okay.
So, keyless entry, which is pretty sweet. As well as a dark hallway. Okay, there we go. And if we took the elevator to the top floor, would be the gym. The basement would be the laundry.
Right.
But we will go to floor 0.
Our lobby.
Oh, and one more thing. There is a human being, security guard, physical person at the lobby 24/7. Unfortunately, it's raining now, which is not ideal. I think Ivana wants to go right here to this fancy Italian restaurant. Maybe we'll walk up the road and show you guys how nice our road here is. Rua Avanhandava. So as you can see, super nice street, lots of big trees. Unfortunately, the weather is rainy, but it seems to rain off and on almost every day. No, Ivana?
Yeah.
Since we've been here, it's been a little bit rainy almost every day.
Almost every
But
day.
also sunny every day.
Yeah.
So back and forth.
Look at all the fans.
But super nice restaurants, super nice street. There is a wicked fountain up here that Ivana loves to do some Instagram stuffs near. Very, very nice. And tons of
I love this.
young people having a drink and enjoying all of the restaurants.
Isn't it so pretty?
Definitely.
I love the mosaic work.
Oh yeah, mosaic tile, smashed tile.
So there's this restaurant. There's that restaurant. There's plenty of restaurants all along this street. But I think they're all owned by the same person.
That's the rumor
Or
we
same
heard.
family,
They're
yeah.
all owned by the same
Like
people.
Italian restaurants.
So they're competitors, but not really.
Yeah, one is like specializes in pizza, one's like fish or seafood, one is like pasta. So I really don't know which one we should go to. But I think we'll go to the one next to our building.
Fantastic. Let's do it.
Yeah.
We would have done more of a tour, guys, but unfortunately raining. And we are leaving tomorrow morning, so there you have it. Okay, next stop, dinner.
I love this.
Yeah,
I'll say it
Ivana
again.
comes here all the time and takes an Instagram photo. When the sun is shining, she loves to do a little pose. Okay, let's eat. All right, so literally right next door to our apartment, we have this incredible restaurant, and honestly, the entire vlog has just changed. This was a vlog of an apartment tour. It is now a vlog of this incredible restaurant. So over here they have a salad bar. Okay, I've seen that before. Really nice looking salad bar, but I've seen that before. They also have an olive bar, which I love, with a whole bunch of custom olive oils and vinegars. The guy out there, super nice, gave Ivana a taste test of his favorite one. Really, really special. And they also have, wait for it, a cheese bar. Yo, a cheese bar. I'm about to eat so much cheese, I don't go to the bathroom for a month. I love cheese and olives. This is the greatest appetizer I've ever had. They even have a huge chunk, a huge wheel, it looks like, of Parmesan. And you get to take a little hammer and bust off yourself a piece of Parmesan, load up your plate, and then weigh the plate and pay.
Like a big cheese hanging off the ceiling. That was
Amazing.
awesome.
The decorations in here are unbelievable. I will say shout out to me for being born on a day where we're staying right next door to a restaurant this good.
It's your special day.
I'm joking. Shout out to Ivana for taking me here, because we stayed there for a month. We would have never came here. It's not really Brazilian food. I think it's an Italian restaurant.
Yeah, Italian.
But because of the birthday thing, we came here, and super nice looking restaurant.
Yeah.
They even got some bread over there with ham in the bread. Bro, ham bread.
Look at Steve's plate.
Who doesn't want to eat ham bread? Now, I did not fill my plate totally because we just ordered a huge thing of fettuccine Alfredo, so big it feeds two. So there's lots of food coming. The waistline will take a hit. But there you have it.
It's so pretty in here. Look at this, guys. Enjoy.
Super nice restaurant. You cannot beat it. And we're starting the day with cheese and olives.
Super good. All right.
5 stars. All right, let's eat, man.
Palm heart. It's kind of slippery. Interesting.
So palm heart, literally the heart of a palm tree. The stem, I guess I would call it.
It's sour,
Sour palm heart.
but creamy and sour. It's hard to explain. This one kind of melts in your mouth. Kind of like it. I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of weird, but I like it.
Have you tried the Parmesan cheese? Because if you guys at home have never had proper Parmesan cheese, it's about to change your life. Do you need some? Do you have any? You gotta eat this Parmesan if you want it. It's so good.
That's a big piece.
Just take a bite of it. It's so unbelievable. This is the best cheese I've ever had. It's amazing, right? Oh my gosh, all this fun and it hasn't even arrived. The main course hasn't even arrived yet. All right, let's eat. What a meal, man. What a meal. Thanks, babe. Hey, thanks to you. Thanks to you. Sorry? Oh, yeah. Ladies first. Oh, Parmesan. More Parmesan. Yo, guys, that Parmesan I just had was the greatest cheese I ever had in my life.
Right?
It changed my life. That was 6-star Parmesan. Hopefully this is the same. That bowl's gonna be empty. By the way, love the technique with 2 spoons.
Yeah.
This is a pro move. Like the chopsticks almost. Thank you, Ivana. This is nice. Tá bom, obrigado. Fettuccine.
Yeah, so we actually just order one fettuccine Alfredo and,
And then we
it comes
share
in a big pan. And we share it. Very nice. Okay, let's enjoy.
I'm already enjoying it. So nice. Normally, I would just put it in my mouth and I would let the noodles hang and I would chomp them in the fall. But today, we do the spoon twirl. Mm. 5 stars. Although I will say, more Parmesan.
Look at that. Very nice.
All right, there you have it, guys. Super nice meal. Big thanks to Ivana, and actually pretty affordable. There's a bull, golden bull, for all your viewing pleasure. And I realized why it was so empty in there, because Ivana and I eat dinner at Canadian time. So we were there at 6:30 or 7 o'clock, and I think most Brazilians are eating dinner 9-ish.
But we couldn't finish our food.
Yo, my
So we got
my
takeout.
shirt, the buttons on my shirt, on my belly are gonna burst. I'm gonna rip my shirt with this belly I'm packing right now. Oh my gosh, I just over cheesed myself. Anyway, thanks Ivana. Happy birthday to me.
Happy
and
birthday to Steve.
thanks
Look
for watching
at
our
all the
video.
lights in the street.
Yeah,
So
super
pretty.
nice street, super safe place to walk around with
Yeah.
the camera and make a vlog, and really great.
Super
Love
pretty
the
here.
apartment, love everything, and my stomach is bursting out of my shirt.
Thanks for watching, guys. Happy birthday to my baby.
Whoa.
Who's not a baby anymore.
But I'm still bald like a baby.